around, make sure to click that subscribe button. I post videos every Saturday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 10 easy life hacks that I personally do. All of these hacks are really easy. I cannot tell you guys how many of these hacks have saved my life. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video.
Are you tired of untangling your headphone? Here's an idea, guys. Simply take your headphones and wrap it around your 3 fingers. Once you're done wrapping it, take your headphones cord, pass it through the loop you just made, pass it again over your headphone, and you're done. To the rescue! Simply cut some of the tape and stick both the ends together. Now every hair, including your hair, is going to stick to this tape. This is the most easier way to take all the hair off your kitty. I love this part. So satisfying. You don't have a curler or your color is broken? Don't you worry, guys, just Raj here to the rescue! Simply take your 3 fingers and take a strand and wrap it around your finger. Guys, fingers, not finger. Okay, fine. Take this hair loop and cover it with your foil. Pack your hair tightly so it does not come out. And now take your straightener and simply give it some heat. Be careful, guys, do not burn yourself. Once it cools down, open it really carefully. And there you have it, a cheap curler at your service. Do you sometimes want that sharp eyeshadow line? Well, girl, I'll tell you how to achieve it. Take a tape and really humongous tape. And keep your mouth shut. No, just kidding, ladies, you got the full right to talk. Take that tape and stick the tape onto the back of your hand until its adhesive power gets low. Stick it from the outer corner of your eye till the tail of your brow. You can take any palette, but in my case I'm taking my Sleek palette and this brown eye shade. I need a mirror, cannot find it. You can apply the powder till your crease, giving that sharp cat eye look. I just love this technique. It looks great if you're going to a party or something. Check out the difference, guys. Do you struggle from making that cat eye look? I'm talking about that cat winked eye. Repeat the same steps that we done earlier. Again, taking my Sleek palette and taking this black eyeshadow. It's pretty hard to explain it, just see what I'm doing. Once you're done, just simply take off the tape and see the magic. Use white pencil to make your eyes pop. Use the white pencil onto your tear duct. and blend it with your finger. Sorry guys, it's really close, but I wanted you guys to see really closely what I'm doing. Yeah, just keep blending it with your finger. Only with pencil you can see a lot of difference. Another technique to make your eyes bigger, use the same pencil on your borderline. You guys probably know it already, but I still thought to include this one as well. And still, so many people don't use this technique to make their eyes bigger. Guys, just look at the difference. Do you hate when your mascara sticks to your nose? When this happens, don't panic and let it dry. After it is done drying, take your spoolie and roll it onto your mascara. Very gently, you do not have to remove your makeup. Keep doing it really gently and all the mascara will come off. Was the mascara spot there before? I don't think so. Are you afraid of using glitter nail polish? Only because it is really hard to remove? Not anymore! To remove the glitter nail polish, you need a foil, a cotton and a nail remover. Soak your cotton with nail remover and place it onto your glitter nail polish. And then cover it with the foil. Do it with all the fingers you have your glitter nail polish on. And then wait for a few minutes. After a few minutes, remove the foil and your nail polish won't be there anymore. If your mascara is dried up, put your mascara in hot water for a few minutes and it will be good as before.
I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give this video a big fat thumbs. Do not forget to subscribe me on my Instagram and Snapchat. Make sure to click that subscribe button. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah. You guys are too far away.